go, look, this is how miserable it can get in the southwest on a boatyard. As you can see, they're well stacked in here. Well stacked in. Yeah. It's a nice looking boat over here. Seeing if they're up for sale some stage. Might just do what I want. But yeah. It's wind vane going like a clappers. Let's see if it's putting any charge in a minute. Right. This is keeping it reasonably dry for a minute, which is a miracle considering this throw. Oh, there, I think there's some tape on that. Yeah, we're back down in the solids. No wet. 12 degrees, but wet. Did you say? Oh. Okay. Sorry about the lack of videoing today. I don't know if you've noticed, but there seems to be something missing. That's because it is now there. If I manage to get it out on my own. So next time down here and then start stripping it down. The wiring loom. So yeah, it's a bit of a mission. It's out. Let's see if we can get it freed up and working. Cleaned up, stripped down completely. It's not water in there, that is WD-40. Sat in there for quite a while now. Hasn't done any good. I don't know if you can see that down in there, but the camshaft is rusted slightly. It's a bit noisy here today, I'm afraid. We generate any electricity on the wind generator. I'm hoping that's generating it anyway. It's regulating at the moment. It's on battery. Got light on, so it's down 12.3 volts, but it's not doing bad. Right, I'm going to tidy up and then I'm going to sod off. Catch you all later. You know, for anybody who was worried, put a bag over, keep it dry. Yeah. Not a bad day. Took a good couple of hours to get that out. Up through the floor. Yeah, I'm happy. Well, I didn't change much. Still as miserable as sin. But that's. So, let's go for a little walk down the river, shall we? Hang on a sec. Great start on the hill. Not sure what these. There's a gel coat underneath, and I'm hoping it is. I don't want to go too far. I'll try and polish that at the top. It's a bit blowy today, say the least. That's what I'm not sure how much of me you can work here. Let's get a photo from there. Miserable. Well,
get these rubbers for these portos. I don't know what make of porto they are. I'm hoping you can. There's two. And there's one on the other side. That seems to be losing a little bit. Another thing, if somebody's watching, my ankle locker is right up the front. I can't get there. Not going to see it at the moment. Ankle locker's right at the front there. That pole goes down to what would have been another ankle locker underneath the bed, underneath the feet berth, down there. Is it practical to take that tube out, put a bend in it, or shall I move the winch forward? Actually, that's probably not a bad idea. Move the winch forwards if I can. No, I'll have to have a look another time. Got a lot of work to do still, i.e. the head. Still very solid. Well, it's got to be fixed and plumbed, mainly. I've got to try and figure out what's going on here. Ow! That was sharp. So it seems like there's a gap underneath there. I can almost get my finger in, and I've got big fat fingers. I'm just put the gap right back there. Underneath that piece of wood. I'm seriously, I don't know if my master's leaning forward because of this being taken out or not. I don't know if having a bulkhead through here would make any difference, because I don't think that this is doing any good at all. I know there's a bulkhead still goes right the way through, and that's a start. That bulkhead's been there forever and a day since it was built. I don't know but this. I don't think that this bulkhead went right. This one here, I don't think that went right through, because that doesn't go right the way down through to the floor, so it can't have. I'm really at a loss, but I'm going to put another wall through here, a bulkhead, a wall, redo all of this bulkhead, take it out up to there and come right up, fill that all the way down, put some strength back into it. So I do need a little bit of advice if anybody's got me or if anybody's watching. And also I've got these stainless steel windows. Is it best to just put new rubbers in, or take them out altogether and just put, they are perspex, put something else in there? Lots of questions, hopefully some answers. Right, thank you.